Money, motherfucker, get money.
Get money.
Get money, motherfucker, get money. Get money, motherfucker, get money.
You know the drill, cause we out for the kill, got a 5-star.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold, and I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you guys know, I love myself some roses, and I love myself a bit of gold, but let's get straight into these hot topics. Starting it off with Joe Giudice to Teresa. I feel nothing for you. Dr. Ross, what do you think about this?
Joe Giudice is dropping the bombs on Teresa. He's telling her he doesn't care about her. He's shaking it in Mexico. And you already know Teresa went on a talk show and she was talking about, oh, she's not with him anymore. She's with her high school sweetheart. And she posted an ab pic.
Teresa is also going out there and shaking it, if you know what I mean. And not to interrupt you, Dr.
Shaking
Ross.
what her mama gave her. That's what she's doing.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Basically, the point here is you guys shouldn't be together. You guys seem like you're happier by yourselves. Enjoy yourselves.
Pretty much both of them are going out there and enjoying life. That's the good thing about them. Off of that hot topic, or moving on, Katie Holmes' latest vampy look includes a bodysuit and a strappy 4-inch heel. And Katie Holmes, we see you're going out there and you're enjoying life.
Being scandalous, as always.
Well, yes, you're definitely being scandalous, Katie Holmes. And we see that you forgot about your daughter. You just left her with the grandma. But you're going out there making what's working. Dr. Ross, what do you think about this?
All I have to say is, again, Katie Holmes is scandalous. That's all we have to say about that. On to our next hot topic. We have Chris Brown. Chris Brown, we're not going to talk too much about this, but apparently there was a pop star. She's a Korean pop star. She took a photo with him, and all of her fans went crazy on her, saying, don't you know he's an abuser and stuff like that. All we have to say, Chris Brown. Okay,
you got abused. You got abused
by Rihanna. Everyone forgets that if you see the video where they were in the car, Rihanna hit him first. And then, I mean, what was he supposed to do? And we're not going to talk too much about that. But basically, he just responded to the post saying cornball, which was kind of random, but that's all he did. On to our next hot topic. Lil Nas X showed up in an all-pink outfit. We'll put it right here. People were slamming him, and all he had to say was that he looked good in the outfit. Lil Nas.
And speaking about Lil Nas,
Starburst. That's all I can think of.
He actually had a music video that came out, and he was going to put Cardi B in it, but he said, I'm not going to put Cardi B in it because of reasons.
He replaced her.
To Lil Nas X, you should have put no one in the video. Just been a blank screen. But Dr. Ross, what do you think about that, where he took out Cardi B?
Again, like you said, if they just took both of them out and just made it a blank screen, it probably would have been more enjoyable to watch. Just watch a blank screen. Probably would have got more views.
Damn! Moving on, Denise Richard teases RHOBH drama amid Brandy Glanville rumors. Some things felt personal. And you guys on the Real Housewives
of Beverly Hills,
all you guys are on TV, so how is it not broken out into like big fights and stuff? And the reason why is because it's fake.
You're getting a paycheck after every single video. We will put the clip in here.
Kim Zolciak-Biermann's getting a $1.8 million raise for Don't Be Tardy. Money, honey. Kim Zolciak-Biermann is set to make big bucks on the next season of her hit spin-off reality show.
I don't remember which housewife said that, but she was in an interview and she was actually saying that she gets a nice little paycheck to come back. I think it was Nene Leakes, but she gets a big raise. Okay, if it's real, how do you get paid? Why would you get paid to get fights and throwing drinks in your face and everything? How would that be real? That's scripted TV, but unscripted at the same time. On to our next hot topic. G-Eazy kisses Megan Thee Stallion, and Halsey fans slam him and started chanting his name in a concert. All we have to say is G-Eazy, that is old. G-Eazy, you can move on, you can kiss other people.
And you were drunk. If you say G-Eazy one more time, I'll kick you out of this party. You want to get on the ground? Who is it? It's you? Who said G-Eazy? Get on it, because I'll kick you out. You don't disrespect me like that on my own show.
And in another video, Halsey leads the crowd in a little that guy chant. And this moment sparked a conversation on Twitter. Some fans were defending Halsey's reaction to the heckler, while others were actually questioning her. One person wrote, quote, "Is she mentally stable?" Another said, "So unprofessional, I am embarrassed."
Well, that's it. Is no one going to mention how Halsey was with multiple people after they broke up? That means they're doing the Teresa and Joe Goodites. They're breaking apart. Things happen. Live your life.
And speaking about relationships, Kylie Jenner and the Travis Scott nigga, or T. Scott, you need to change your name to T. Scott, Travis Scott. You know, they're back together. And the reason why is probably to see if Kylie Jenner is either scandalous, crazy, or Dr. Ross, what are some other reasons?
Or to see if that's his baby. But I just have to say something. One, speaking of the baby, we don't want to see the baby anymore. Stop showing the baby. A hot topic, though, is that Kylie Jenner said that her baby is refusing to call her mommy.
That's not my name. My name's Mommy.
Hey, Patty.
No.
Hey, Patty.
No.
Hey, Patty. Jesus Christ.
We don't care. Stop calling the baby. Stop. And another thing is, Travis Scott, they're not together. They're not together. It's just like how Brad Pitt and Jennifer Anderson and Angelina Jolie and all of them just keep getting back together and back together. And they keep saying that they're not together.
She's got a point.
The same damn clothes. Because Travis Scott, you keep wearing the same clothes in that same jacket. You need to buy something else. Or, as Dr. Ross said, come to the Black King's closet and get some good clothes. Or a king's clothing. But
and on to our next hot topic. Sophia Richie unfollows Kourtney Kardashian after quitting Keeping Up with the Kardashians. All I have to say is, why did you unfollow her? That's kind of childish when people unfollow people on social media and they get so mad about it or so crazy about it. We know that you're with Scott. She used to be with Scott. Things happen. Again, and all these hot topics, things happen.
And one thing I have to say, Dr. Ross, who cares if someone unfollows you?
Exactly.
It's like one thing. One person unfollows you. She has a million or millions of other people to go back to or rely on. So, with that, Sophia Richie, you almost shouldn't have took the time out of your day to do that. But
Oh, where's the goalkeeper going? Make your fucking goal!
By the way, Black King, before we end this off, I just wanted to say something about the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl, we saw Shakira and we saw J-Lo. They did good. But did you guys see Justin Timberlake and Janet Jackson?
The 2009 Super Bowl.
Now that was a really good Super Bowl. That really was a good Super Bowl halftime. We'll put that clip in here.
That's not even what Super Bowl should be like. That's what everything should be like, music related. Everything.
Because she really went all out. I don't know why they stopped doing Janet Jackson stuff or they've had her stop performing, because she really goes all out. Is probably because some of the drama or a wardrobe malfunction. We'll put it in right here.
Oh yes, she had the big wardrobe malfunction.
Yep.
But these were all of our hot topics, and to everyone, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the bell, notifications, hit everything.
Check our merch and our song down below. It's the first link in the bio.
And we out.